We are in the Adapt Event Studio, and I'm speaking with John O'Brien, who will be hosting a half-day seminar for Adapt Events entitled DataOps for Better and Faster Analytics. John, can you briefly explain the overall goal of this half-day?
Yeah, I think this half day is really to introduce the understanding. We really focus not just on how to do data ops here, but really why. So when we're looking at for a lot of companies that are trying to come in, and it's not just a mandate to say we need to move to data ops or we want to improve because everybody else is doing it. We're actually going to go through all the different components of data ops and then understand and prioritize, how different companies, data engineering teams, organizations, it's a huge collaboration tool. Understanding the purpose, because when you go to apply data ops in your organization, you're going to want to understand why you're doing this so you can really optimize it and make it fit into your environments. So besides the overall understanding, and we're going to understand a lot of drilling into why in the examples so that you can see this, I think we really also understand and want to convey how this is really a maturity. It's a journey for companies and for them not to get frustrated or give up because it seems like such a big undertaking. So we do close with the maturity, the journey, if you will, that the companies go through as they adopt data ops and as they develop their proficiency.
Okay, and can you briefly walk us through the topics that you will be covering during the half day?
Sure. First, we like to give the background and understanding that, basically data ops is not DevOps. We go through the core principles of the manifesto, and then we start to take a look at key components. Once we understand it, now we're going to go into how to do it, because that's where all the real questions we've seen both in our research and with the companies that we advise. That's where all the real questions come up. How do we do this? How do we do that? How does this really work? And we'll show, different variations. It's not a technology, product, if you will. It's a methodology. It's a process. So we'll go through how, and then we go through, kind of the ongoing management and the, ongoing continuous improvement of data ops within the organization, and show how you're gradually going to build that up over time and get better and better at it.
Okay. And who is it for? So what are the job titles that you typically see attending this seminar?
While most people think that it starts out for data engineers, clearly they're delivering data pipelines to the organization, data products, and data services. So, data engineering, and then even data architects. We really want to emphasize how this is a collaborative approach. So your business analysts need to get involved. Your data stewards can also get involved, because data quality, data governance, all those things are not after the fact. They're actually baked into the data ops process. And then, of course, data scientists, they're one of the big consumers driving data ops. So you can see that while it might start with a data engineer, they're just one role that needs to collaborate well, including operations, that need to come together. So for me, data ops is a lot about good collaboration and working together to deliver faster. So those teams, even Scrum Masters from the Agile side, will get involved. So you can start with data engineers and architects and operations, but it's going to expand out to all the other roles that are involved with delivering data and analytics.
Okay, well, that's clear. Thank you very much, John.